My name is Phil Kazanjian, developer of a jQuery plugin called jsIOS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to illustrate this plugin through a dialog box. So the dialog box is going to enable us to interact with the plugin without having this window go behind the web page. Some added styles is going to enable the window to actually scroll with the page. And then we also have a resizable widget that's going to enable us to essentially put this at any size we want on the page. So that kind of brings me to the motivation for creating this plugin. So typically we see web pages that are very stale. So we can read them, but we can't actually perform the steps outlined on them. So now with this plugin here, we can do just that. So what it is basically it's a simulation of the Cisco IOS, and it has kind of like all of the same nuances as it. So you can use the context sensitive help, you can add any commands that you see fit to put within here. It's going to recognize all of your error messages that you would have. You can use the context sensitive help all the way through. It's going to understand when commands are not ambiguous. If it's also going to understand your tab completion and all that stuff. So configure terminal. So all of your keys are available with the actual iOS. So for example, you got your Control Z, and if I put some text on the line here, Control A, Control E, Control K, Control U. So all of those are there. The up and down arrow keys for command history, those are there as well. And like I said, yeah, the plugin enables you to kind of throw in the commands you want. And then, oh, what about files, right? So for files, we could do a show run. So it's going to open you up to the file, and it's only going to display, the size of the window, right? So over here we've got the more. Enter key for a line at a time, spacebar page at a time, and then any key to quit. So we can add the commands, we can do the configuration. It's got all of the variables in place for that as well. And then, you can do your do, show, run. And that's it. So this is my plugin. Hope you like it.